Hello everyone, welcome back to Craft Jenny. In this video, I'm going to make a Valentine Day gift idea for your partner. So first I'm going to make the bottom part of the box. Mark 5 cm distances from the edge 3 times. Also in this side we need to mark 5 cm distances 3 times. Now we can separate this square. We need to cut through the lines I'm marking here and fold like this. Now we can make the bottom part of this box. Okay, let's move to the top part of the box. Here we need to mark 3 centimeters, 5.2 centimeters and 3 centimeters respectively. And now we can repeat the previous steps to complete the top part of the box. Before gluing the box, I'm going to add a small design like this. You can decorate this box as you prefer. Okay, now I'm going to cut some circles, diameter as 4.5 centimeters. I have cut 18 circles here to write my message. And now we can write the message in the circles. Customize this gift with your own message or with your photos. Now we need a ribbon or a thread, and now I'm pasting the letters to the ribbon I got like this. We are sharing many kinds of crafting tutorials in our YouTube channel. So subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications for more videos like this. Now we need to cut 2 squares from the dimensions I'm showing here and add a little cut to the center like this to insert the ribbon. As the final step, we can glue the two squares we got to the top part and the bottom part of the box like this. You can decorate the box as you prefer. Hope you enjoyed our video. Give a like, comment and share with your friends. And also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications for more videos like this.